Hello, assalamu alaikum. How to set the desktop user from your ad manager to create a campaign. I am creating campaign. I am setting this manual setup. So now create it's fine. So this is it 2026 my campaign name. So this is my campaign name. So I am action, everything is working fine. Ad setup, ads budget, ad budget, campaign budget, daily $9 count words. So here is this is fine, and campaign budget $9. You can need it $5. Okay, I am doing $9 for this. So highest volume, a-b test. Okay, fine. Now first is done, and the next step here also I am pasting this is destination, and my page is this is my page. So this is my page. I have run this page, and manual destination not. I am setting this the message destination, and done. This is the maximum number of message destination. Fine. Okay. Location. Okay, location, I am setting my country name. Whole country, and stop this. Okay, fine. Okay, here is you can set this minimum is include posish or 25 or okay. Audience, here click this audience suggestion, audience here, audience automated add content, add placement, edit placement. Here is another setting, save setting, switch to original to no, here is no another option. Check where is the show more setting. Show more setting. Now here you can check here the continuation audience control, but here you have to select the manual system. So okay, edit, show more setting. Here is not. So start verification, switch to original audience option, apply advantage on. Furthermore, stay current setup, apply valuable, and the limit receive ads only audience control see ads, for example, because of legal geographical business itself. Okay, here country, all gender, all placement, all device. Here is a all device option. Set, you can set up here the mobile or desktop. I only set up the desktop. All mobile device no need. So Facebook platform, Instagram, and everything there is no problem, but issue is we need to set this is the desktop setting. That means in our latest Facebook TI you can set up here this is the desktop. I want to set the desktop operating system is FBX. You can set up this Facebook ads campaign. Here you can set up, when you set this the edit placement and advantage is off, then you can see this option, only device option. So device option, when you click the 45 to 50, I have set up this campaign is for only BD trade, BD blogger. Only for desktop version, desktop. Okay, everything I have set up, done. Next, add name, single ms, create add, no need, existing post, select the post, and the last post I have to select. Okay, this is my last post I have to select, and I have been select here. You can choose the, no need to select pixel ID, send button. Okay. Everything is working fine. So when you click here, send button, it automatically set up send message for conversation. So no need to edit, or you cannot edit here on the message option, call option, and test, and everything is working fine. So you have to run this, to publish these ads. Okay, publish, done. So I have published these ads, and so this ads has been published here. Now check, this is publishes here. Now it is processing for the campaign. Okay, thank you.